The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is here. It brings some much needed new changes like a 3.4-inch cover screen, also a new hinge design that closes totally flat, which makes it more slimmer when folded, plus many more new software tweaks. There is almost no changes from inside though, except it's slightly brighter and also the crease is reduced slightly. It comes in 8 colors: mint, graphite, lavender, and cream for in-store purchase, and grey, blue, green, and yellow for online exclusive. In this video, let's see the colors in detail and find out which one is best for you. So let's start the video. Starting with the cream color, it's a subtle matte finish of white with silver aluminum on the sides and near the camera sensor, which perfectly complements the cream color. I'm not a big fan of the glossy finish as it attracts fingerprints and also doesn't feel rich in hands. Samsung has done great job with the design, and the new 3.4-inch flex window offers a lot of cool new features with customized widgets. But cream is not a new color, we have seen this before. The crease is slightly smaller than the last year, but still quite visible with a better Gorilla Glass protection. The best thing about Flip 5 is now you can fold it completely, with almost no gap when folded, which makes it even more compact and pocketable. Mint is a great color and it stands out. It has a similar aluminum color on the sides and around the camera. It's a fresh looking color and looks like the most popular color for this year. Graphite is definitely the most classic color. It's a light grey color. All the colors comes with the light shades, and same is for the graphite. It feels like a solid option you can never go wrong with. Lavender is also a fresh light color choice. Very light pink shade and similar color on the aluminum sides. A mix of silver and lavender which complements the whole look. There are 4 more color options but only available online. Grey, blue, green and yellow. All are stunning colors with black matte finish on the aluminum frame on the sides. They look extremely premium and stylish. My personal favorite are the online exclusive colors, as I kind of like the two-tone color choice. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. Well, that's it for this video guys. I really hope you liked this video. If you liked the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.